તમે માંગલિક અને પચકાણ કરાવી દઈશ અને
हाँ
પછી
जी जरूर।
મંગલાચરણ કરાવી દઈએ અને પછી હું ત્યાં પચકાણ આપી દે 1 કલાકના ચોવિયારના અને પછી હું સ્ટાર્ટ કરું.
जरूर हूँ चालू करूँ।
હા, હા.
ओके। प्रणाम चिल्ड्रन, हाउ आर यू? Everybody will do this. All good? Okay, thank you. Everybody will sit straight now, please. No movement, no running around. Okay. Everybody will join your hands. Everybody knows Naukar mantra. We're going to say Naukar mantra, which is known to everybody. Everybody will also recite the Naukar mantra, okay? So everybody close your eyes. All the pretty girls and the smart boys, close your eyes. Om Namo Arihantanam. Om Namo Siddhanam. Om Namo Ayaryanam. Om Namo Vajrayanam. Namo Loe Savasahonam. Eso Panchanamokaro. Sava Pavapanasano. Mangalanancha Savesim Padamam Havai Mangalam. Angothe Amritvase Labdhitana Bhandar. Shri Guru Gautam Samariye Vanchita Paladata. Now everybody will take one small niyam. That now for 1 hour we will not eat, we will not drink water, we will not do mischief. And no movements from one place to the other, right? Is it okay? Is it okay? Everybody promise? Everybody join your hands. Chalo. Niyam for no movement for 1 hour, no running here and there, no drinking, no food. धारणा अभिग्रह पचकाई पचकामी अनतभोगेनम सहस्रागारणम महत्रागारण सविशम त्यागारण गो सिरे गो सिरामी. Everybody go sirami. Okay, very good.
Pranam to all the elders and learned as well as all the childrens. I would like to give you a brief introduction to our speaker for today. He is a lawyer with an MBA degree who has also studied Jainology. He has performed multiple shivas to people all over the world and is associated with Sydney Patsala. For the last decade, he has been associated with Ratnatrayam Patsala. He has designed and created about 60 books on Jainism. I would like to thank him for taking out the time today for our Shroshradhyay Guru. Thanks.
Thank you so much, Bindube, for giving my introduction. But પરમાત્મા પ્રભુનું શાસન જ એટલું જયવંતું છે કે આપણને ભણવાની ઈચ્છા થાય છે અને જ્ઞાનને આગળ આપવાની ઈચ્છા થાય છે. So children, how are you all doing? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Okay. So today we're going to have an interactive class. Okay. I want you all also to speak today with me. Okay. I want everybody to switch on their videos. There are a lot of people who have not switched on their videos. Is it possible for everybody to switch on the video? Because we are having a game right now. You guys want to play a game? Mehak? Everybody sit straight, please. Thank you. All the children will sit straight, please. We have very less time and we have a game right now. Everybody likes riddles? I'll ask you a few questions. Okay, Ria says yes. So I'm going to ask you some few questions right now. I want you all to raise your hand, okay? That's the way you will raise your hand because I can see only your finger. Because you have a small screen, so you will raise your hand like that, okay? And nobody will answer in between. Okay, now I'm going to start. Can everybody see the screen? Okay. But how do I extend it? 1 second, I think. Give me a second, please, children. I can see all of you all together. Okay. I'm going to ask you some few questions. I want you all to answer this question. Can everybody see the screen? Thank you. Okay. So the first question on the screen, I will request you to raise your hands, okay? The first question on the screen. Can everybody read it? Arrange the colors in the right order. It's a very tricky question, okay? I want you to think, crack your brains. Come on, rub your brains. Okay. Can anybody give me an answer? You will have to unmute yourself. I will unmute. You have to raise your hand and I will unmute. Okay, there is somebody here. Okay, Shashvi, can you arrange the color in the right order? Shashvi, you will look at me and answer. Come on.
Arihant.
I want the colors. I don't want the name.
White.
Yes.
Red.
Yes.
Yellow.
Yes.
Green.
Yes.
And black.
Wow. Absolutely right answer.
Upal.
Who's yellow?
Acharya.
Acharya, absolutely right answer. Upadhyaya is which color?
Upadhyaya is green. And Sadhu
Green
black.
is black. Okay. Now the next question on screen. Next question. Can everybody see the question? Arrange the numbers in the right order. Does everybody have an idea what numbers are these? Anybody who does not have an idea of these numbers? Who's that?
It's Guna of Bhagwan.
Which Bhagwan?
All of them.
Who are they? Come on, everybody.
Arihant
Rashmi.
Upadhyaya Sadhu.
Aryan, Siddha, Acharya, Upadhyaya, Sadhu. So arrange the order. Everybody arrange the order.
Sir, first comes bar. 12.
Okay. First 12. Second.
Then 8.
Okay.
8.
Very good. Okay.
Then 36.
Acharya 36. Very good.
25.
Upadhyaya 25.
And Sarva Sadhu 27.
Absolutely right answer. Very good. Okay, the next question on screen. Now somebody else will answer me. Come on. There are 4 red boxes. Tell me which boxes are missing. What is missing? Come on. Somebody else. Okay. There's a small girl here.
So,
what's her name? Yeah, tell me, beta.
black.
What?
Orange and black.
Yellow
And black.
okay. So Acharya Bhagwan and Sadhu Bhagwan are missing. And what other two names are missing? There are two names also which are missing. Come on,
Orange
everybody.
and white.
No, yeah, but there are two more rounds on the left. Yeah, tell me.
Arihant and
No, Aryant is there, Siddha is there. Somebody said Acharya, Upadhyay, and Sadhu are there. Darshan, Gyan, and there are other two rounds which are missing. Which are they?
Upadhyay.
Upadhyay is already there. What is the next to Upadhyay which is missing?
Darshan, Gnan, Charitra.
Charitra is missing and one more is missing. What is missing?
Tapa.
Tapa. Very good. The next question on screen now. Long, long hair I have. Nice, nice air I give. Everybody likes me as I make them dance. Tell me who am I? Come on. You find, I'll give you a hint. You find this in a temple. Long, long hair I have. Huh?
Ugo.
What?
Ugo.
No, not Ogo. Ogo Dira Sarma Namale.
Chamar.
Who said Chamar?
Riddhi.
Thank you. That's the right answer. The next question on screen now. Four are my hands. Body is my wife. Four gatis I show. Tell me who am I? Come on, Mehak.
Arihant.
You will have to raise your hand. Quickly.
Is it Arihant?
No. What? Read the question. Four are my hands. Body is my wife. Four gatis I show. We draw it in the
Swastik.
temple. Come on. Think. We draw it in the temple.
Swastik.
Yeah, tell me the girl there. Very good, Shashvi. It is Sathyo. Very good. The next question on screen. Soft, soft I am. White I look. Divided into three. Cleaning is my quality. Tell me who am I? Parents don't help. Come on. We use this after Pakshal. I'm giving you one more hint. We use this after Pakshal.
Angluchna.
Okay, absolutely right answer. Next question on screen. Everybody picks me up, sees the beautiful Bhagwan in me, and keeps me back and goes back with the vision in the eyes. Tell me who am I?
Darpan.
I will say that person has to answer. Yeah, tell me the boy and the girl in the screen, please say. What is the answer? Come on, the boy who's raising his hand, tell me. Darpan is the right answer. Absolutely right answer. Thank you. The next question on screen now. How to do puja? Can anybody tell me? Do we see this in the temple? Have you seen this image in the temple? How do you do puja of this?
First, Arihant says Acharya, Upadhyay, Sadhu, and then you
So
do
first you do puja in the center, then you do,
up, then you do on the right,
yes,
then you do down,
down, then you do,
on the left,
and then,
and then you do it across on the right up, and then cross on the right down, and then cross on the left down, and then cross on the left.
okay, absolutely right answer. That is Naupadji, and that's how do we do puja of Naupadji, everybody? You do the center, then up, then sideways, down, another sideways, and the four in between. Okay, the next question on screen now. Big is my stomach, small is my mouth. Still very, very rich I am. Tell me who am I? Come on. Big is my stomach, small is my mouth. Still very rich I am. Tell me who am I? Come on. Yeah, tell me.
Ganesh.
What?
Ganesh.
No, it's not Kalash. Rich Kalash is not rich.
Ganesh.
What else can? Vivan and Zoya, tell me.
Ganesh.
What?
Bhandar.
Ganesh.
Who said Bandar out here? Who said Bandar? I heard some parents saying it. We'll have a riddle round for parents.
Bhandar.
Okay, we'll have a parents round also next time, please. Right now it's for children. Next question on screen now. Cloth is my body, 8 folds I have. If not at right place, God says, touch me not. Tell me who am I? A very nice question. Come on, crack your brain.
Cloth is my
Cloth is my body, 8 folds I make. If not at right place, God says, touch me not. Tell me who am I? Who said Pujano Rumal?
Me. Vian.
Okay, Vian, it's absolutely right answer. It has 8 folds. If you are not at the right place, Bhagwan will say, touch me not. आपने पूजा नो रुमाल बांधा वगैरह भगवान ने स्पर्श कराए नहीं. Okay, now the next question on screen now. Quickly. White I am, Vyakhyan I give, Dharmalabh I say, tell me who am I?
Mara Sahib.
Sadhu.
Mara Sahib. Sadhu Bhagwan.
Okay, absolutely right answer. The next question on screen now. Who am I?
Mara Sahib.
No, who am I? Tell me. What do you see in this picture? Quickly, quickly. Crack your brains. Come on, quickly.
Acharya.
No. What is this picture all about? Where do you see this picture? What all do you see?
Guru Bhagwan.
Who said Upashray?
Upashray.
Who said Upashray? Everybody, whoever said Upashray, the right answer. The next question on screen now. Name the Tirthankar. Come on, a very easy question. There is a lanchan. You have to tell me which Tirthankar is he.
Parshvanath Bhagwan.
Absolutely right answer. The next question on screen now.
Mahavir Swami C.
Name the Tirthankar.
Muni Surat.
Who said Munisurat Swami Bhagwan? I request children to say it, please. Okay. Now, these are few riddles. I'm very happy that you all know so much about Jainism. I'm very excited to tell you a story now. You guys want to listen to a story?
Yes.
Really? Bindu bada ne meet kara.
मैं भी कर હું કરું કે તમે કરો છો?
Kajbo. Clearly.
બધા મ્યુટ થઈ ગયા.
Okay. So now I'm going to tell you a story. It's a story time. Can everybody see the screen still? Okay. What is written on the screen? The glory of Shripal and Maina. Does anybody know who was Shripal and Maina? Yes or no? Okay. There is a girl who is doing this. I'm going to, okay. I'm going to ask you guys a question. Yeah. Who was Shripal and Maina, beta? Yeah. I cannot hear you, beta. Yeah, now tell me.
Can you hear me?
Yes, Riya, I can hear you. Tell me.
Shripal Raja was a king and Maina Sundari was his daughter.
No worries. I'm very happy, Riya. At least you know the name Shripal and Maina, but the connections what you said has a little bit of error. So I'm going to rectify your errors. Okay, no worries. At least you know who is Shripal and Naina. At least you've heard. I'll say thank you to your parents that they have told you who Shripal and Naina are. Okay. Shripal and Naina is a very beautiful story. The story happened during the time of Muni Surat Swami Bhagwan. The last lanchan which I showed you, Muni Surat Swami Bhagwan's lanchan is tortoise. Okay. So the story is about that time. And then later, during the time of Gautam Swamiji, Shripal Maharaja and Naina Sundari were these very known human beings who actually really served Naupadji. But King Shrenik one day comes to Gautam Swamiji and asks a question. Ki, Gautam Swami, tell me some Mahapurush or Mahasatiji who has really done great Aradhana of Naupadji. And that time, Gautam Swamiji tells the entire story of Shripal and Naina. Shripal and Naina are actually husband and wife. There was a big king. There was a very known and a wise king whose name was Prajapal Raja. I want everybody to listen because I'm going to ask you questions after this, how we had a riddle round right now. Okay? So we are going to again have some questions for you all. So there was a big and wise king, a Prajapal Raja, his name was. He had two daughters, Roop Sundari and Naina Sundari. They were very, very educated kids, you know. They were very well mannered, well treated. They used to listen to their parents. They used to never back answer. They used to eat their food on time. They used to go to temples, puja karwa jaye, Guru Maharaj ne Guru Vandan kare. But too just beautifully kare, you know. They were never backbiting, or they used to never back answer their parents. Parents say, okay, aja nahi male to nahi male. It is okay, absolutely okay. You know, such beautiful daughters, you know, which Prajapal Raja had, and they were very obedient. A very first quality which I want to tell you, children, that Naina Sundari was a very obedient child. She always used to listen to her parents because she knew that parents are the right people who will take care and who will guide us the best. So always remember, parents, it is always for our good and our wise. Lot of times, you know, what happens is we keep back answering our parents. Oh, nah, mane nathi karu. Who are you to tell me? Why are you telling me this? I know what am I supposed to do. But they always for the good of you all. So always try to be obedient children. I don't deny there are times you will have to tell parents, Papa came out, say, Mommy, how came? Say, why should I do this? Why should I do that? It is absolutely okay to ask questions. But if parents તમને સાચું કહે છે તો તમારા સારા માટે છે. So always remember, try to become an obedient child. So this Naina Sundari and Roop Sundari, they were these two daughters of Prajapal Raja, and they were very obedient. So one day what happens is, Prajapal Raja asked a question to them. Roop Sundari was a very I'll tell you, Roop Sundari was also a very obedient daughter, but she always had some questions in her mind, and she used to always back answer, always argue with her parents. She didn't have so much of faith in Jainism. But at the other hand, Naina Sundari had absolutely faith in Jainism. And whatever she studied all her life in her school, in her college, everywhere, she used to listen to her Guru Bhagwan, her Panditji, her sir. In school also, she was a very obedient child. She used to listen to the teacher well and then ask questions. Sometimes what happens is we just bombard our teachers, our Panditjis, our tuition teachers, our school teachers with questions without listening. So what we should do is we should always first listen, apply your mind, and then speak. See, there are three things what we should always remember. First listen, apply your mind, and then speak. So these are three qualities which are very important. So this Naina Sundari always used to listen, think, and then speak. So one day, Prajapal Raja asked a question to both the daughters in front of the entire kingdom. You know what is the question? Does anybody know what is the question? I will tell you, it is a big question. So Prajapal Raja, okay, I'll come back to you, beta. Prajapal Raja says that all this what you are enjoying, તમને બધું મળ્યું છે, તમને આટલું સારું ઘર મળ્યું છે, તમને આટલા સારા કપડા મળ્યા છે, તમને આ બધું સારું ફૂડ મળ્યું છે, બધું તમને જે મળ્યું છે એ કોના કારણે મળ્યું છે? Who has given you all this? So now in front of the entire kingdom, if the king is sitting, obviously what is the answer you will give? O king, you are the wise man, you are the great man, everything you have given me. But no, Maina Sundari does not give this answer. Maina Sundari gives the answer to the king. Thank you, king, for giving me all this. I am happy that I have received all this through you, but it is not because of you. It is because of my karma. It is all because of my punya. It is all because of the good deeds I have done. It is all because what I have done right for the people. It is it is my good deeds that I have got all this. And there the king gets angry. The king gets angry. He gets up from his throne and he starts throwing anger on Maina Sundari and says, I give you food. I give you clothes. I give you everything what you desire. You have such a big, huge palace. And you are telling me that it is because of your good deeds? So Mahina Sundari says, yes, it is because of my good deeds. It is because of what good deeds I have done in my previous birth. And the good deeds like I wash my plate after I eat. હું કોઈ પણ વસ્તુ જુઠ્ઠું નથી મૂકતી ખાવાનું એક પણ જુઠ્ઠું નથી મૂકીને જમતી. પછી મમ્મી મને જે જમવાનું આપે હું બધું જમી લઉં છું. પછી હું સવારે પૂજા કરવા જાઉં છું. પૂજા કરવા ન જવાતું હોય તો ઘરમાં ભગવાન હોય તો એને હું નમસ્કાર કરું, એને હું નમો જીણાનમ કરું. પછી હું માતા પિતાને પગે લાગુ છું. પછી હું what do you call આપણે તિથિના દિવસે હું ગ્રીન વેજીટેબલ્સ નથી ખાતી. So that is why king said, okay, these are the good deeds. So Mahina Sundari says, yes, because I follow Jainism, because I follow the right things, what my mother has taught me, my mom has taught me, my Panditji, my religion, my Jainism has told me, and I follow that. And that is my good deeds. And that is why I have achieved all this richness today. Rajapal Raja gets angry again and again. He's getting angry. Why is this Mahina Sundari not giving my name? I pay the money for her food. I get the clothes. I give her a palace. And Mahina Sundari says, no, it is all because of Dev Guru ka Ashirwad. It is because of the God and it is because of the Guru I have received all this. Rajapal Maharaja gets very angry. He is now really red he has become. And he says, Mahina Sundari, you will be punished. You're right now, you will be punished. Mahina Sundari says, आप जे केम को पापा पापा તમે જે કહેશો હું સ્વીકારવા તૈયાર છું. I am ready to accept that what you will give me a punishment. You have been always good to me. You have always taken the right decision for me. Today if you think that you want to punish me, please go ahead. Just imagine the father in front of the entire kingdom is going to punish Mahina Sundari. But Mahina Sundari still has a big smile on her face because she knows that today I am getting punished because of my bad deeds. મેં જે ખરાબ કર્યું છે એના કારણે આજે મને punishment મળવાની છે. એટલે always remember children, if you are being punished somewhere, sometime it is only because of your bad deeds. આપણે મમ્મીને ક્યારેક જુઠ્ઠું બોલ્યા, આપણે મમ્મી આપણને ખાવાનું આપ્યું ત્યારે આપણે ખાધું નહીં, આપણે ઘણીવાર મમ્મા પાપાને હેરેસ કર્યું, સ્કૂલમાંથી આવીને આપણે બેગ ને અહીંયા મૂકી દીધી, શૂઝ ને ગમે તેમ મૂકી દીધા. We make our clothes shabby and we come. If teacher has told us that she's given us a remark or she's told us that please go and tell your parents, we have not told our parents. ઘણીવાર આપણે ખાવાનું જૂઠું મૂકી દીધું પ્લેટમાં, આપણે ખાવાનું પૂરું નહીં કર્યું, થાળી ધોઈને નહીં પીધી, સવારે ઉઠીએ ત્યારે આપણે 8 નોકાર નથી ગણ્યા, સૂતા વખતે 7 નોકાર નથી ગણ્યા. There are so many all these wrong deeds which we do in our daily life, and that is why today punishment has been given to Mahina Sundari. Rajapal Raja says, we will wind up the court right now. At the right time, I will punish you. Let me think for a big punishment for you, Mahina Sundari. Both the daughters, you can leave the kingdom. All the ministers of the kingdom, all the citizens who have come in the kingdom can leave right now. Everybody were talking about how cruel this father can be. How can he be so cruel to his daughter? And some people said, he has to be cruel to the daughter because it is the king who has given everything and she's saying the king has not given. King એ કાંઈ નથી આપ્યું એમ કહે છે. Mahina Sundari ખુશી ખુશીથી પોતાના ઘરમાં જતી રહે છે. She has her own room in the palace. She goes happily. And there, the mother of Mahina Sundari, she was so happy that my daughter took the path of Jainism. She sided Jainism and she did not side the Prajapal Raja. Being the mother, always remember the mother will always say the right to you. She will never say wrong to you. So try to ask whenever you have a problem, whenever you have a decision to make, you guys are confused, directly go to Mama and say, Mama, what do you think I should do in this? Mama, મારે શું કરવું જોઈએ આમાં? ત્યારે મહિના સુંદરી મમ્મા આગળ જાય છે અને મમ્મા કહે છે, absolutely right કર્યું છે. In front of the kingdom, you took Jainism's path. You took that Jainism is absolutely right. And next day, you know what happened? Prajapal Raja says, Maina Sundari, tomorrow is your marriage. I'm going to get married. I'm going to make you married to a person who comes to my kingdom first. And there is a king called Shripal. There is a person whose name is Shripal. Can you see Shripal on the screen? And there he gets Maina Sundari marriage to Shripal. And you know who was Shripal? He was a very nice person. He was a very nice child of his parents. But what happened is, in his childhood, he had got those white spots on his body because he was absolutely good. His skin was absolutely clear. But during one day, when he was a child, he came in contact with a lot of people who had white spots. So because it was a contagious disease that time, these white spots came to Shripal also. Shripal was a very handsome man, but because of all these white spots, he was looking very ugly. And Maina Sundari was one of the beautiful women in this entire world, I can say. But she was supposed to be punished. So Prajapal Raja gets Shripal and Maina get married to each other. Maina happily gets married to this ugly man. And then she says that, you are my husband now. Whatever you say, we will do it. So the next morning, Maina Sundari tells Shripal Raja, it's now morning, let's go to the temple. So they go to the nearby temple of Adeshwar Bhagwan and they pray. Shripal and Maina Sundari was so obedient. I told you in the starting of the class that she was so obedient that her day would start going to the temple, looking at the idol of Bhagwan. કે ભગવાનના દર્શન કરે, પૂજા કરે, ચૈત્યવંદન કરે, ભગવાનના સ્તવન કરે, પછી ઘરે આવીને પાણી પીએ. તો ત્યાં શ્રીપાળ અને મૈના, she is very happy. She has no tension in her mind that I'm marrying a man who has a lot of white spots, who is looking ugly. Absolutely no. They go to the temple and very next door there is an upashraya there. અને ત્યાં આચાર્ય ભગવાન બિરાજમાન હોય છે. એનું નામ હોય છે મુનિ ચંદ્રસુરી મહારાજ સાહેબ. શું નામ હોય છે? મુનિ ચંદ્રસુરી મહારાજ સાહેબ. અને શ્રીપાળ અને મૈના એમને વંદન કરવા જાય છે. અને ત્યાં આચાર્ય ભગવાન કહે છે, મૈના સુંદરી આપ અહીંયા, આજે તમારો થાટ માર્ગ ક્યાં છે? Where are the people? There are so many horses, so many elephants, the king, and you all come together here. Today, why have you come alone? And who is this man with you? Then Maina Sundari says that he is my Shravak. I've been married to him. And then she says the entire story, what had happened. Now, the main climax of the story comes. Muni Chandrasuri Maharaj, Maina Sundari is not at all unhappy. Maina Sundari કહે છે, ગુરુ મહારાજ, તમે મને એવું કાંઈક કરી આપો, તમે મને એવું કાંઈક કહો ને હું શું કરું, જેનાથી મારા શ્રીપાલ રાજા શ્રીપાલ again પાછો back to normal થઈ જાય. Just imagine the medicine, the faith, everything is available here in Jainism. A lot of times what we do is, Mama, I'm not well, Mama, I have a stomachache, give me a medicine. But we need to wait. We need to take care of ourselves. Everything, the medication is within ourselves. So what happens is, they pray to God. એ મુનિ ચંદ્રસુરી મહારાજને શું કહે છે ખબર છે? કે તમે નવપતજીની આરાધના કરો. કોની આરાધના કરો? We had a picture. Everybody seen Navpatji, which is there on the screen. Can you see? આપણા દેરાસરમાં ઓલું મેટલનું રાઉન્ડ હોય છે ને, ખબર આપણે એની પૂજા કરીએ. સેન્ટરમાં પૂજા, ઉપર, સાઈડમાં, નીચે, સાઈડમાં, અને પછી વચ્ચે અરિયંત આચાર્ય ઉપાધ્યાય સાધુ દર્શન જ્ઞાન ચારિત્ર અને તપ, આ બધાની આપણે પૂજા કરીએ. So then they start doing puja of Navpatji. રોજ એનું પક્ષાલ કરે, અષ્ટપ્રકારી પૂજા કરે, એની સ્તવના કરે, એની આરાધના કરે. They do lot of bhakti of Navpatji. અને પછી એનું નમન હોય ને, નમન. Everybody knows what is નમન? બધાને ખબર છે નમન શું છે? Yes. તો એ નમન જે નૌકાજીનું નમન હોય છે એ શ્રીપાલ પોતાના બોડી પર રોજ લગાડે, મોઢા પર લગાડે, આઈસ પર લગાડે, બ્રેન ઉપર લગાડે, પોતાના બોડી પર લગાડે. એન્ડ આફ્ટર 9 days જો રોજ પૂજા સેવા કરતા હતા, રોજ નૌકાજીની આરાધના કરતા હતા. એન્ડ ઓન ધ 9th day, you know what happened? There was a magic. Shripal became normal. All the white spots, because of the power of the Naman, the power of the Naukaji, all the spots went away. See, this is because Shripan and Maina kept faith in Naukaji. આપણે દેરાસર જઈએ, આપણે ભગવાનની પૂજા કરીએ, દર્શન કરીએ. Have complete faith in the God. Shripal and Maina are very known examples of complete faith on ભગવાન. એ લોકો બહુ શ્રદ્ધા રાખતા ભગવાન ઉપર. આચાર્ય ભગવંતે કીધું મુનિચંદ્ર સુરી મહારાજે કે તમે બસ નૌકરજીની ભક્તિ કરો. And right now, do you know what days are going on? The 9 days of Naupadji is going on. Shashwati Ori it is called. What is it called? Ori. Can everybody say Ori? I want everybody to move them out. Ori. 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 અને કઈ ઓળી છે? શાશ્વતી નૌપતજી ઓળી. કઈ ઓળી છે બેટા? શાશ્વતી નૌપતજી ઓળી. Everybody, શાશ્વતી નૌપતજી ઓળી. Then Shripal Raja becomes all well. He's all fine. And then, in search of money, he goes to different states. He goes to different countries in search of money. So what Maina Sundari tells Shripal Raja, wherever you go, whenever you get out of the house, or wherever you go, you sit in the taxi, you sit in a car, you sit in a ship, you sit in a bus, you leave your house, but always remember the Navkar Maha Mantra. Because the entire Naupadji is a Navkar Maha Mantra. So what? You go out around, children, when you leave for your school, when you go out to play, you go out to your friend's house, you go for a birthday party, always remember, you Navkar Mantra boline jais. And then you see what difference it makes. You will go safely and you will come back safely. So always remember, Naukaji is there in the Navkar Mantra. Namo Arihantanam, Namo Siddhanam, Namo Ayaryanam, Namo Uvajjayanam, Namo Loe Savvasaunam. All the Panch Paramesri are prayed in Navkar Mantra. So always remember, whenever you go out of the house, you go to school, you go to play, you go to the garden, you go out with the parents, you go shopping with your mom, dad, but I always Navkar Mantra boline baar jawanu. So what did Maina Sundari tell Shripal? કે તમે કૈસે પણ જાઓ તો તમે નૌપતજીને યાદ કરીને જજો. So one day, you know what? Shripal Raja was traveling by the ship, a very huge ship. He was traveling by a huge ship to one place to the other. And there was this man who was always envying. He was always envying. એને બહુ ખરાબ લાગતું કે શ્રીપાલ આગળ આટલા બધા પૈસા આવી ગયા. મારી આગળ એક પણ રૂપિયા નથી. Why is he doing like this? Why is he doing like this? Let me do something. He has so much of money on the ship. The entire ship belongs to him. Why don't I push him in the ocean? Shripal does not know that this guy, who is a very close friend of mine, who takes care of me, who is also a minister here. I have bought so many things from him. And one day, that man was really, really pissed. એને જરાક પણ નહોતો ગમતો Shripal. એ શું કરે છે ખબર છે? એને બોલાવે છે. Come here, Shripal. Come here. અહીંયા આવ જલ્દી, Shripal. Shripal જાય છે અને કહે છે, come on the deck. I want to show you something. I can see an alligator. Shripal said, I have seen alligators. There are so many alligators in the ocean. And what is new of seeing crocodiles and alligators? But this guy says that this alligator has 8 faces. Now Shripal says, this is something new. I have not seen a crocodile or an alligator with 8 faces. So Shripal also comes on the deck. And this person is also standing next to Shripal Raja. And you know what he does? In the anger, because he has so much of envy towards Shripal, he pushes the Shripal in the ocean. And from the deck, Shripal Raja falls down. Now just imagine what happens to Shripal Raja. He starts chanting Navkar Mantra. He starts speaking Naupatji with Bhagwan dhyan કરે છે. સિદ્ધ ચક્રજી હરિયાન સિદ્ધ આચાર્ય ઉપાધ્યાય સાધુ સમ્યક દર્શન સમ્યક જ્ઞાન સમ્યક ચારિત્ર સમ્યક તપ નૌપતજી મારી રક્ષા કરો નૌપતજી મારી રક્ષા કરો. And you know what happens there and there? He sits on that crocodile. Can you beat that? The crocodile does not bite Shripal. That crocodile does not hurt Shripal Raja. So whenever you guys have some problem, you guys fall, you guys get hurt, always remember the Sri Navkar mantra. Start reciting Navkar mantra. તમને લાગ્યું છે તમે પડી ગયા છો, મમ્મા મેડિસિન લેવા જાય, સ્કૂલમાં લાગી ગયું. Start reciting Navkar mantra and I promise you the pain will subside. ત્યાં ને ત્યાં તમારું પેન થતું હશે બંધ થઈ જશે. તમને હવે નહીં દુખે. તમને આટલું બધું દુખતું તો એ પણ ઓછું થઈ જશે. And you will come happily, you will reach the doctor or you will reach your parents, wherever you are. But whenever you get hurt, start reciting the Navkar mantra. અને ત્યાં જ શ્રીપાલ રાજા એક crocodile પર બેસી જાય છે ઉપર and he reaches the shore. This was a beautiful story. Yeah, tell me, you have a question, beta? Yeah, tell me.
Shripal Maharaja moksha.
Shripal Maharaja ne sadgati છે બેટા. He is at the right place right now and soon he will reach moksha.
Oh.
Okay? હમણાં સદગતિમાં છે, સારી ગતિમાં હશે હમણાં, but slowly and steadily he will reach moksha.
Thank you.
Yeah. So this was a beautiful story. Here, what did we learn? Children, do you understand what did we learn? First thing, whenever we are in a problem, recite the Navkar mantra. Naupatji, always remember the Navkar mantra before doing the good. Wherever you are going to the school, say a Navkar mantra. Before you are writing your examination, start saying the Navkar mantra in your mind and then give your examination. When you're leaving your house, say the Navkar mantra. This was a beautiful story of Shripal and Maina. And right now, the Shashwati Oli is going on. I want to tell you something about the Naupatji. Can you see the screen? Can everybody see the screen? What do you all see on the screen? Let us know the Naupatji. The Aradhana which Shripal and Maina did, the Bhakti which Shripal and Maina did was of this yantra. Can you see this yantra and the colors of Naupatji? So the center of the Naupatji is the Aryant Bhagwan. Who is he? Everybody will say it with me. In the center it is Aryant Bhagwan. Up is the Siddha Bhagwan, Acharya Bhagwan, Upadhyaya Bhagwan, and the Sadhu Bhagwan. And what is in between? Samyak Darshan, Samyak Gyan, Samyak Charitra, and a Samyak Tap. The Naupatji comprises of all the 9 things. These are the 9 qualities of the Naupatji. Now I will show you what is there in Naupatji. Can everybody see the picture? Can everybody see the picture? So in center, it is the Aryant Paramatma. You know, color white. So you know why white? Aryant Paramatma no color white came. Does anybody know why Aryant Paramatma no color white? Because anybody knows? Can somebody give me a hint or a suggestion why the color of Aryant Paramatma is white? White symbolizes purity. White symbolizes love. White symbolizes peace. So જ્યારે પણ આપણે Aryant Paramatma જોઈએ, he is always loving to everybody. He will never have pride. Oh, you know, I am wearing some new clothes. You know how we do it? When we wear a new frock, we wear a new dress, we wear new shirt, we go and do this like, oh, you know, I'm wearing some new clothes, guys. See how am I looking? આપણે બધાને એવું કહીએ. ભગવાન ક્યારે પણ એક પણ કશાય ન કરે. ભગવાન ક્યારે પણ ગુસ્સો ના કરે. આપણને તો આપણું ટોય તૂટી જાય, આપણા ભાઈ બહેને ટોય તૂટ્યો એટલે આપણે કેટલો ગુસ્સો કરી દઈએ. આપણને મમ્મી એક વસ્તુ ના આપે એટલે આપણે પાછો ગુસ્સો કરી દઈએ. આપણું મમ્મી મન ભાવતું શાક ન બનાવે and like some vegetable, oh mama, what have you made? આ શું બનાવ્યું મમ્મા? No, never do that. Aryant Paramatma ક્યારે પણ ન કરે આવું બધું. એના ઉપર સિદ્ધ ભગવાન છે. It is red. Why it is red? Any idea? Why is it red? Did you all know why Aryant is white? Because he symbolizes purity, he symbolizes peace, and he symbolizes love for everybody. It is Siddha Bhagwan, Lal, red varna se, because we have to fight to reach Siddha Bhagwan. Yes, Siddha Bhagwan's quality is 8 છે. Very good. The girl in pink dress. So we have to reach Siddha Bhagwan. Acharya Bhagwan is yellow. Yellow like the gold, like the fire, like the Deepak. Why is it yellow? Because he takes care of the giant fold. એટલે ચતુર્વિધ સંઘની સ્થાપના કરે. હવે તે ભગવાન નથી એટલે આચાર્ય ભગવાન takes care instead of the Tirthankar. Upadhyaya Bhagwan is green. He tries to, why green? How the plants are green? So Upadhyaya Bhagwan gives knowledge. He keeps the Jainism green. લીલુંછમ રાખે, શાસનને લીલું રાખે, એકદમ green રાખે. એટલે green કેમ હોય? એટલે fresh લાગે. એટલે શાસનને he tries to give education, and sadhu's color is black. If you see, the sadhuનો color black રાખવામાં આવ્યો છે because entire life he does tap. ક્યારેક ઉપવાસ કરે, ક્યારેક નાસક શમન કરે, ક્યારેક એકાશનું, બ્યાસનું, બહુ બધા તપ કર્યા કરે. એટલે સાધુનો કલર બ્લેક છે અને 4 ગુણ આપવામાં આવ્યા છે. that is દર્શન, જ્ઞાન, ચારિત્ર અને તપ. This four is also four are white in color. They are the qualities. Samyak darshan means keeping the right faith. Samyak jnana, having the right knowledge. Samyak charitra, that means right conduct. And samyak tap means the right penance. Okay, what we have to do is, we will only have faith in our Tirthankar Bhagwan. ખાલી અર્યંત પરમાત્મા ઉપર આપણે શ્રદ્ધા રાખવાની છે. Only Aryant Paramatma is my God. Panch Parameshri is my Guru. All the sadharmiks are my brothers and sisters. And all the people who beg on the road, who are in need, are my Anukampas. They are also the people who will I take care of. This is the Naupaji. So, you know, we all have to one day find our place in Naupaji.
સૌરીનભાઈ,
હાજી બિંદુભાઈ.
એક જ મિનિટ, તમને છે ને મારો સન સમજાવે છે એટલે સ્ક્રીન ઉપર બધા લોકો કરે છે ને નહીં થાય. જસ્ટ તમને
નથી થતું એટલે
બધા લખે છે સ્ક્રીન ઉપર, તો એક સેકન્ડ તમને સમજાવી દે.
અચ્છા ચાલો.
તમે કઈ વાત તમારે કરવું પડશે.
સૌરભભાઈ, તમારા છે ને ઉપર જ્યારે તમે શેર સ્ક્રીન કરો ને તો ઉપર પેનલ આવતું હશે બધું રેકોર્ડિંગ. તો ઓલ ધ વે રાઈટ ઉપર ડોટ છે.
Yeah, more.
More. And then I think લખેલું હશે disable annotation.
Yeah, I've done that.
હવે now no one will be able to do it.
No worries. Children, what are you doing? Is this some painting class?
ક્લીન કરાવ, ક્લિયર કર.
No, કઈ વાંધો નહીં, પછી આપણે ક્લાસ પછી. So this was Naupaji. એમાં સમ્યક દર્શન, સમ્યક જ્ઞાન, સમ્યક ચારિત્ર and સમ્યક તપકામ. Okay, this was the story of Shripal, and this was a small concept of Naupaji. એટલે હવે આપણે જ્યારે પણ દેરાસર પૂજા કરવા જઈએ, always do પૂજા. આપણે ઘણીવાર છે ને પૂજા ભગવાનની કરીએ અને ત્યાં નીચે છે નવપાજી રાખ્યા હોય, આપણે ભૂલી જઈએ પૂજા કરવાનું. because we are in a hurry, ભગવાનની પૂજા કરી પણ નવપાજીની પૂજા ભૂલી જઈએ છે. The નવપાજી really બધા જ ગુણ, entire I can say Shasan is there in this Naupaji. So do not forget to do puja. Okay, the first question here. Who was the father of Mahina Sundari? Who was the king I spoke about? Who was the king I spoke about? The girl in pink dress? You don't know the answer? The blue t-shirt, unmute yourself.
Oh, Prajapal Raja.
Prajapal Raja, very good, absolutely right answer. Prajapal Raja had 2 daughters. What were the names of these 2 daughters? Can anybody tell me what were the name of these 2 daughters? Can somebody tell me at least one name? Yeah, the girl in black dress who raised her hand, please answer. There are 2 daughters. One Sundari name was Sundari, and the second Sundari was એક સુંદરીનું નામ સુરસુંદરી અને બીજું
Maina Sundari.
who said that? Okay. So you always remember there were two daughters, Sursundari and. Can everybody tell me both the daughters' name, please? Esa, jaldi. Shama. Yeah, Shama, tell me the answer. The two daughters' names, Sursundari and.
Maina Sundari.
Okay, and who was the king who asked the question to Gautam Swamiji? Who was the king? Mehek?
Shipal Raja.
Shripal Raja was the character. Gautam Swamiji asked, there was one king who asked the question to Gautam Swamiji. Who was that king's name? I started the story with that. There was a king who asked the question to Gautam Swamiji. His also name starts with S. Who was the Raja? Shrenik Raja. Remember Shrenik Raja. He was a Param Bhakt of Bhagwan Mahavir. Okay. What is the, 1 second now. One second. Come on, everybody tell me, which is the color of Aryan?
I know.
I want you to, everybody to unmute yourself. Come on, everybody unmute yourself. Can everybody unmute yourself? No? Bindikan, આપણે બધાને unmute કરશું? Yeah, let's do it. Okay. Ariana, can I have the answer, please? Ariana, please unmute yourself.
Thank you. हाँ.
White. White.
चल जा चलो मीठे को
White. White.
वाइट
White. White.
You will raise your hand.
White.
Everybody pin drop silence. When you will raise your answer, I have unmuted, but you will raise your answer and tell me.
Hand ऊपर करो.
Nobody dictating from behind, please. What is the color of Upadhyay?
येलो
I will say raise your hand. Yeah, Pooja, tell me. Pooja, tell me the answer.
ब्लैक
Color of Upadhyay.
ग्रीन
Who said green?
रिद्धि
Okay. The next question. What is the color of Acharya?
Now can you see yourself?
Mehika and Aradhya, what is the color of Acharya?
येलो
Yellow. Okay. Okay. Now you tell me one question I'm going to ask you. Tell me 5 things what you see in a temple, which is related to Bhagwan. Bindiran, છે ને 5 મિનિટનો time?
હા ઇનફ છે હજી 20 મિનિટ્સ છે.
Oh, okay, 6 आप लिया करो. Okay, okay. Okay. Something which is related to Bhagwan. Everybody raise your hand. 5 things what you see which is related to Bhagwan. Shavi, tell me. Shavi, Shavi, tell me, beta. Can anybody else tell me 5 things what you see in a temple which is related to Bhagwan? Yeah, Mahika, tell me.
Chamar, Darpan, Rumal, Dhoop and Deepak.
Absolutely right answer. Now tell me 5 things which you see in a upashraya. Come on, somebody. Naisha, Mehak, 5 things what you see in a upashraya. Vrishti, 5 things what you see in a upashraya. Pooja. Yeah, tell me, Shavi. Shah, tell me.
Mara Sahib.
What else do you see? Yeah, tell me, Pooja.
સ્થાપના જી,
Apnacharya, પછી
મારા સાહેબ,
પછી
કટાક્ષનું, ચડવરો, ચડવરો,
પાત્રા,
પાત્રા,
તરપણી. Okay. Now 5 things which are related. 5 things which are related to Samyak Jnana. Tell me 5 things which are related to knowledge in Jainism. 5 things. 5 upkaran. Come on. Zoya. Vivan and Zoya. 5 things related to knowledge. Come on. Haryana. Haryana.
Tower.
What? Come on, think. Jaldi, use your mind. Five things which are related to knowledge in Jainism. Riddhi, tell me. Anybody who knows? Yeah, tell me. Shavi, please say.
I know.
हाँ बोलो.
Book, pencil, eraser, paper, and pen.
Pen. So what I would comment is Sapro, the place where we keep the book on. You know what is Sapra?
Yeah.
Put your book on Sapra. Yes, exactly. Sapra. नौकारवाली जिना पर તમે નોકાર ગણો. Pen, paper, and you know what? Pothi. There is a word called pothi. What is it called? એની અંદર રાખવામાં આવે, આગમ રાખવામાં આવે.
Oh.
It's called pothi. Okay, now I'm going to again ask you some questions. Okay, is everybody ready for some riddles?
Yes. Yeah.
Vivan, Zoya. Okay, the first question is, fragrance I give, but die at the end. Fragrance I give, but die at the end. Fourth is my order. Tell me, who am I? Fragrance I give, but die at the end. Fourth is my order. Tell me, who am I? Namit and Pragati, please answer.
Flower.
No. Fragrance I gave the dye at the end. Fourth is my order. This is the fourth puja and Ashtaprakari puja. Yeah, Preeti. Preeti, tell me.
ના આવે બધાને ખબર છે
Preeti. Dhoop, absolutely right answer. The answer is Dhoop. Very good.
પણ મમ્મા બધા કેવું કરે
Next question. Can everybody hear me? Next question. Everybody holds me with two hands. Everybody holds me with two hands. Long is my trunk. Everybody holds me with two hands. Long is my trunk. To clean is my quality. To clean is my quality. Tell me who am I? Come on.
Deepak Puja.
કળશ કળશ
Absolutely right answer. The answer is Kalash. Cleaning is my quality. Long કળશને આગળ એક લાઈન પોઈન્ટ હોય અને એમાં પાણી ભરાય અને પાણીથી આપણે ભગવાનનો અભિષેક કરીએ.
પક્ષાલ
As in the puja is called Pakshal. Very good. The next question is, I fly high in the sky. I fly high in the sky. Red and white are my colors. Finish. Let me finish the question. You guys are very smart children.
ધ્વજા
Yes, okay. I am found on the Paramatma. I am found on the Tirthankar. I am found on the Bhagwan. Yellow is my color.
yellow is my color
Yellow is my color. Nice fragrance I give.
કેસર
Kesar.
Everybody has to raise their hands. You cannot see the answer in between.
કીધું ને મમ્મા
Mama બહુ મસ્તી કરે છે. મમ્માને શું બેસી જાય શાંતિથી. Anyways, the next question is, hot I am. Everybody, someone listen to me. Hot I am. Adya, listen to me. Hot I am. Light and knowledge is my symbol. Hot I am. Light and knowledge is my symbol. Fifth is my order. Fifth is my order in Ashtaprakari Puja. Tell me who am I? Yeah, Puja, tell me.
દીપક
Absolutely right answer. The answer
Deepak.
is Deepak. Yeah, the answer is Deepak. Now a difficult one, okay? Now a difficult one. I'm divided into three. I'm divided into three. People go round and round. I'm divided into three. People go round and round. The Tirthankar,
Pradakshina.
પ્રદક્ષિણા
Let me finish the question, smart children. I know you guys are very smart. Okay, now a difficult question for you all. Now let's see who answers this. All the time I'm hanging. All the time I'm hanging. I'm found in all the temples.
Chamar.
Wait. Now what is the wrong answer? I will read them.
બેલ
Okay, absolutely right answer. One sutra which talks about 24 Tirthankars. Tell me. One sutra.
લોગસ
Absolutely, everybody is so smart here, huh? I never knew all the children are so smart. Okay. White I am.
white અરિહંત
White I am. Arey bhai. Who said Aryan? Who said Aryan? Who said Aryan?
me
Let me complete the question, please.
okay
White I am. It's loud. I don't grow again. White I am. It's loud in the field. I don't grow again.
jasmine flower
What?
no
I show the four gatis. Adya, can you think the answer? White I am. It's loud in the field. I don't grow again. I show the four gatis in the temple. Who am I?
rice satya
Chokha.
Akshat is the right answer.
Chokha. satya
Okay, I got it. Okay, now again a question. When I put it on my head, I prove to people that I'm the follower of Jineshwar Bhagwan.
Chandler.
Yeah.
Chandler.
No. What is the right name for Chandlo?
Tilak.
Who said Tilak?
Tilak.
Absolutely right answer. Absolutely right answer. Red is my color. Red is my color. Red is my color. Wood, let me finish, children. Red is the color, wood is my body. Red is the color, wood is my body. One day, let me finish. Red is my color, wood is my body. You have to stop eating one day is what I symbolize. You have to stop eating is what I symbolize. Tell me,
Patra.
who am I? Who said Patra?
Me.
Absolutely right answer. Red is
Thank
my
you.
color, wood is my body. It symbolizes કે આપણે અનારી પદને મેળવવાનું છે. We have to stop eating, and that is why they're called patra. Okay, one more question. Next question. Come on. Now if somebody answers it, I'm going to like clap for them. Okay. Jeev Daya is my quality. Jeev Daya is my quality. Warmth I give. Jeev Daya is my quality. Warmth I give.
Warmth it gives.
Warmth. Jeev Daya is my quality.
Kamdi.
What?
Kamdi. Ogo and Chadavlo.
Jeev Daya is my quality. Warmth is I give. Sadhu Bhagwan
Kamdi.
always, absolutely right answer. Sadhu Bhagwan always sleeps with them, and that's called Kamli. I am the heart. Okay, now only one line I'm going to say. I am the heart of Maharaj Sahib. I am the heart of Maharaj Sahib. They never leave me wherever they go. Tell me who am I?
Ogo.
Ogo.
Ogo. Acha, one more question. Another name for Ogo. Come on. Now it's
Another name. Charvalo. Chadavlo.
Rajoharan.
Rajoharan.
Okay, children. મેં સ્ટાર્ટિંગમાં તમને પચકાણ આપ્યું. હવે અમારે એક હજુ પચકાણ આપવું પડશે કે તમે સાચું બોલશો. ચલો, કોના પેરેન્ટ્સે આન્સર આપ્યો રજોહરણ? જે હોય સાચું કહેજો.
Raise your hand.
It's okay if your parents have answered. It is okay. It's okay. But next time I request
To say the truth.
બિંદુબેન આપણે પેરેન્ટ્સ માટે પણ રિઝલ્ટ રાઉન્ડ રાખશું નેક્સ્ટ ટાઈમ. એ લોકો રહી ગયા.
Sure.
Okay, now one more question. Parents, please, તમારા માટે નથી. I make Sadhu Bhagwan sleep on me. I make Sadhu Bhagwan sleep on me.
Santharo.
Who said that?
Me.
Okay, now a big question. Tell me 10 ઉપકરણs of Sadhu Bhagwan. Chalo, now it's a googly now for you. બહુ આવડે છે ને તમને બધાને? 10 things, 10 ઉપકરણs of Sadhu Bhagwan. Parents, no please. ચલો, 10 ઉપકરણ જે સાધુ ભગવાન રાખે છે એમના માટે ઉપકારી છે. ચલો. Now what happened? Shama. Mama. Call Mama now, Shama. Call Mama. Anybody? So let's guess 5.
Patra. Ogo. Mopati. ચરવડો. The સ્થાપનાચાર્યજી, આચાર્યજી.
આગળ.
સંથારો. આસન કામડી. બસ.
ઉત્તરપટ્ટો, ચોરપટ્ટો, પૂજણી,
Okay.
તરપણી, ચેતનો. There are so many things which Sadhu Bhagwan carry, you know, and they do all these things as upkar on Sadhu Bhagwan. Okay. All these riddles were related to Samyak Darshan, सम्यक ज्ञान, सम्यक चारित्र and सम्यक तप.
ચારિત્ર.
So we all need to remember that આ બધા ઉપકરણ જે છે બધા આપણે જોઈએ, દેરાસરમાં જે પણ ઉપકરણ આપણે જોઈએ, ઘંટ છે, પૂજાની વાટકી છે, ભંડાર છે, બધું સમ્યક દર્શન છે, જે આપણને ભગવાનના દર્શન, ભગવાન પર શ્રદ્ધા આલંબન આપે છે, એ સમ્યક દર્શનના ઉપકરણ છે. સમ્યક જ્ઞાનના ઉપકરણ એટલે પોથી છે, સાપડો છે, કલમ છે, પુસ્તક છે. All the knowledge is સમ્યક જ્ઞાન for us. સમ્યક ચારિત્ર એટલે જે મહારાજ સાહેબ જે ઉપકરણો રાખે છે, તરફની, ચેતનો, પાત્રા, કટાશનું, મોપતિ, ઉત્તરપટો, ચોળપટો, ગ્રંથારો, આ બધું જ. અને સમ્યક તપ, સમ્યક તપ એક આરાધના છે, એટલે જે 12 તપો આપણા શાસનમાં આપ્યા છે આપણને, જે એકાસનું, બેઆસનું છે. તમે જે ધ્યાન કરો છો, મેડિટેશન કરો છો, યુ નો વોટ, કોઈને સોરી કેવું, કોઈને આગળ પ્રાયશ્ચિત માંગવું, એ પણ આપણા માટે એક તપ છે. તો તમારાથી બહુ બધા હમણાં નવપતજીની હોળી ચાલે છે. યુ નો વાય નવપતજી હોળી ઇઝ ગોઈંગ ઓન રાઈટ નાઉ? ડઝ એનીબડી નો? ભગવાને આ ટાઈમમાં જ કેમ શાશ્વતી હોળી રાખી? Why did he not keep it? And you know, this Holi has a major role, has an important more than the Paryushan also.
I am doing
And now, oh, very good. Sukshatama,
દેવગુરુ ધર્મ પ્રસાઈ.
thank you. Just imagine ભગવાનના 9 દિવસ બહુ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ કીધા છે બધા જ લોકમાં. એટલે મહાવિદ્ય ક્ષેત્રમાં સિમંદર સ્વામી પણ આની વાતો કરે હમણાં. You know why?
Because
હમણાં કેમ રાખી?
શાશ્વત.
શાશ્વત હોળી તો છે બેટા, એ તો બધે જ ચાલશે ને બધા ટાઈમો સુધી રહેશે. બટ કેમ આ ટાઈમે રાખી હમણાં?
હા,
Why didn't he keep it during Paryushan only?
હમણાં seasons બદલતી હોય ને લોકોને લાઈક હમણાં ફ્લૂઝ એ બધું થાય એટલે ભગવાન બોલે આ ટાઈમમાં તપ કરવાનું એટલે લાઈક નો ડિઝીઝ.
Very good, very good. I'm so proud of you. You gave a so right answer. I will tell you, because it is a season change. Right now, the season is changing. You know, sometimes the day is becoming longer. It is becoming hotter. It is become. કોઈ country માં winter થતી હશે, કોઈ country માં spring થતી હશે. ઇન્ડિયામાં હમણાં ગરમી થતી થઈ રહી છે, વધારે heat create થઈ રહી છે. કશેક હમણાં time duration વધતો હશે, એટલે ભગવાન કહે કે તું આ ટાઈમમાં તપ કર. Ambil kar. Don't eat green vegetables. Don't eat fruits. Don't eat tail. Don't eat ghee. Don't eat milk products. Just eat pulses, salt and pepper and hing. And that will keep your body fit and fine. So, this 9 days, Navpatjini Holi, it comes twice in a year. In the month of Chaitra. Always remember, always you should remember. It comes in the month of Chaitra and it comes in the month of Aso. It goes on for 9 days. Because Navpatji has 9 Aryan, Siddh, Acharya, Upadhyay, Sadhu, Samyak Darshan, Samyak Jnana, Samyak Charitra and Samyak Tap. These are the Navpatji અને હમણાં એટલે જ આપણે શાશ્વતી હોળી કરતા હોઈએ છે. And is very good. I request all the children, Mehika, Aradhya, Pooja, Shama, Vian, Riddhi, Riya, so many children, Mahek, Akash, Alisha, Pallavi, Galaxy, Manit, Seema, SPG, Madhu, so બધા છે. We will all try doing one Ambil. If you cannot do Ambil, it is okay. But tell Mama to make little bit of Ambil food for you and eat Ambil food in the lunch. તમારાથી બેઆસનું થાય, અહીંયાથી બધાથી બેસનું થાય છે. Everybody has done બેઆસના till now? બધાએ બેઆસનું કર્યું છે? તો આપણે મમ્માને શું કહેશું ખબર કે મમ્મા હું બેસનું કરીશ, એમાં હું સવારે છે ને આંબેલનું ફૂડ વાપરીશ અને સાંજે નોર્મલ ફૂડ વાપરીશ. તમારાથી આંબેલ થતું હોય, nothing better. Do આંબેલ food one time eating in a day. પણ આંબેલ ન થતું હોય તો put a practice. આપણે બેઆસનું કરશું. To all the parents also request to make your children eat આંબેલ food. સવારમાં આંબેલનું જમવાનું જમાડવાનું અને સાંજે પછી નોર્મલ જમવાનું જમાડવાનું એ લોકોને. એટલે 24 બેઆસનો જે ટાઈમ થાય ત્યારે એ લોકોને એક આદત પડશે. They will get used to આંબેલ food. I know for you it is very difficult to make આંબેલ food, but it is okay. For our children we should do it. Children, please tell your parents that I want to taste આંબેલ food. હમણાં because of the pandemic તમારા religious trustમાં નહીં થતું હોય તો please tell your parents કે મને થોડુંક આંબેલનું food બનાવીને ખવડાવો. It is not bad. Trust me, it is very healthy. And anything which Bhagwan says, always remember it is right, true and the best. એટલે ભગવાન ક્યારે પણ જે પણ કહે બધું સારા માટે કહે બેટા. So always remember, આંબેલ એ શાશ્વતી નવપતજીની હોળીમાં એક આંબેલ કરવું જોઈએ. And આંબેલ તપ is very auspicious also. ઇટ ઇઝ વેરી માંગલેટ ટફ. કોઈ પણ પ્રોબ્લેમ હોય, કોઈ સોલ્યુશન ન મળતું હોય તો લોકો એમ્બિલ કરે. So always remember નવપતજીમાં પંચપરમેશ્વરી. Who is બિરાજમાન? પંચપરમેશ્વરી. And who is પંચપરમેશ્વરી? Aryan, Siddha, Acharya, Upadhyaya and Sadhu. These are the Panchparameshwari. They have different qualities. Aryan has 12 qualities. I want you to remember all the 12. I'm not telling you to remember each of, but at least the number of qualities બધા યાદ રાખવાની. અર્યંતના કેટલા ગુણ? 12 ગુણ. અર્યંતના કેટલા ગુણ? 12 ગુણ. સિદ્ધના કેટલા ગુણ? 8 ગુણ. સિદ્ધ ભગવાનના 8 ગુણ. આચાર્ય ભગવંતના 36 ગુણ. 36 qualities and આચાર્ય ભગવંત will have. ઉપાધ્યાય ભગવાનના 25 ગુણ છે અને સાધુ ભગવાનના 27 ગુણ છે. 27. Now when you do the total of this 12, 8, 36, 25 and 27, you know what is the total? The total is 108.
8.
Absolutely right. Mahika and Aradhya, it is 108. એટલે આપણા નોકારવાળીમાં પણ 108 બીજ હોય છે. આપણે મોતી ખબર નોકારવાળી જોઈ છે આપણે? Everybody seen a નોકારવાળી?
Yes.
કેટલા હોય?
108.
Yes. એટલે પંચપરમેશ્વરીના 108 ગુણ છે. એટલે આપણે પંચપરમેશ્વરીના ગુણના પ્રમાણે નોકારવાળી છે એટલે 108 છે. Everybody, because of this pandemic, હમણાં બધાને બધા જ કન્ટ્રીઝમાં કોવિડ છે, right? Right?
Yes.
And that is why today we are also not able to go to the temple. આપણે આપણા ફેમિલીને મળવા નથી જઈ શકતા. There are a lot of children also who are suffering, you know, with COVID. All over the world, a lot of children are also suffering for COVID. There are parents who cannot meet their children. There are children who cannot meet their parents. A lot of children cannot go out of the house. Why? Because of this COVID and pandemic. So I request everybody to close your eyes. અને જેને પણ કોવિડ થયું છે, જે કોવિડથી ફાઇટ કરી રહ્યું છે, આપણે બધા માટે પ્રે કરશું આજે. કેવી રીતે પ્રે કરશું? આંખ બંધ કરીને આપણા મનમાંથી નોકાર બોલશું. આજે નવપતજીના શાશ્વતી ઓદીના દિવસો છે. આપણે આંખ બંધ કરીને સિમંદર સ્વામી જે મહાવિદ્ય ક્ષેત્રમાં બિરાજમાન ભગવાન છે એને પ્રે કરશું નોકાર બોલીને એક કે ભગવાન આ પેન્ડેમિકને પૂર્ણ કરો, આનું વેક્સિન મળી જાય અને જે ડિફિકલ્ટીમાં છે, જે પ્રોબ્લેમમાં છે, જે અનવેલ છે એ બધાને ભગવાન વેલ કરી દો. Is it clear for everybody? Can we all pray for all the children who are crying of pain all over the world? Can we
Yes.
do that? Yes or no?
Yes.
So what will we do? Everybody will join your hand. Everybody join your hand.
Join your hand.
One child, girl, come on. Yeah, close your eyes. Close your eyes. અને એકદમ મનમાંથી એકદમ from your bottom of your heart આપણે એક નોકાર ગણશું કે આ બધા કોવિડના જે ચિલ્ડ્રન છે, પેરેન્ટ્સ છે, ગ્રોન અપ છે, એલ્ડર્સ બધાને સારું થઈ જાય. Everybody close your eyes. નમો અરિહંતાણમ, નમો સિદ્ધાણમ, નમો આયર્યાણમ, નમો ઉવજ્જાયાણમ, નમો લોએ સવ્વસાઉણમ, એષો પંચનમુક્કારો સવ્વ પાવપણાસણો, મંગલાણંચ સવ્વેસિં પરમમ હવૈ મંગલમ. હે પ્રભુ, હે સિમંદર સ્વામી ભગવાન, અમારી પ્રાર્થનાને પ્લીઝ સાંભળજો. આજે આ મહામારી, આ કોવિડ, lot of children, lot of parents, lot of elders, lot of grandparents are suffering because of this pandemic COVID. I request ભગવાન please અમારાથી બહુ બધા errors, mistake થયા હશે, એમને માફ કરજો અને ભગવાન આ બધાને સાથ આપજો. I pray from bottom of my heart. Thank you, God. Okay. You children are absolutely amazing. बहुत सरस છો તમે. We surely will come back with some more questions, some more fun, with some more new topics for all of you all. And it was really a good session. Bindu Ben, thank you so much for giving me this time and a good opportunity to meet all these brilliant children. આ લોકોને મળીને મને પણ આનંદ આવ્યો કે આ લોકો ઇન્ડિયામાં કેટલા બધા જણ નથી રહેતા તો પણ ધર્મને આટલા બધા ચાહે છે, આટલા બધો સમય આપે છે ધર્મને. એના પેરેન્ટ્સ પણ આટલા એક્સાઇટેડ છે કે શાસન જોડે જોડાઈ રહે. અને આપ અને આપની ટીમને સ્પેશિયલ થેન્ક યુ કે બહુ સરસ કામ કરો છો. કદાચ આજે ઓનલાઈન સેશન્સથી પણ છોકરાઓ ધર્મ જોડે જોડાયેલા છે.
થેન્ક્સ, તમે પણ ટાઈમ આપ્યો અને તરત હા પણ પાડી. એટલે ઇટ્સ રિયલી ગુડ. અને આજે બધા છોકરાઓએ બી બહુ જ સરસ પાર્ટ લીધો. ક્વેશ્ચન
આજે
સરસ થયા છે.
absolutely. Thank you, children. આપણે બધા ચલો Professor Garg, and I will request all the children to leave. If your class is over, I will request you to leave, okay? જે children નું પતી જાય
બધા 3 નૌકાર બી ગણવાના છે. પચકાન લીધેલું છે ને, એટલે
હા
નવ્યાનું છે ને, એ લોકોએ 3 નૌકાર ગણીને ઉભા થાય.
હા, everybody બધા 3 નૌકાર ગણશે, બરાબર છે? એ લોકો 3 નૌકાર મનમાં ગણી લેશે.
હા હા, યા ઇટ્સ ફાઇન.
હા, આપણે બધાએ સ્ટાર્ટિંગમાં ધારણા અધિગ્રહનું પચકાન લીધેલું. આપણે બધા જ નૌકાર ગણશું. પ્લીઝ આઈ રિક્વેસ્ટ 3 નૌકાર, બધા જ 3 નૌકાર ગણજો. આપણે બધા જોઈન હેન્ડ્સ કરો. ચલો એવરીબડી. ઉપસર્ગાક્ષયામ્યન્તે છિદ્યન્તે વિઘ્નવલ્લય મનઃ પ્રસન્નતામેતિ પૂજ્યમાને દિનેશ્વરે સર્વમંગલમાંગલ્યમ સર્વકલ્યાણકારણમ પ્રધાનમ સર્વધર્માણમ જૈનમ જયતિ શાસનમ. પ્રણામ સર. હીરાભાઈ સર પ્રણામ. આપને ખાસ ખાસ પ્રણામ હીરાભાઈ સર.
પ્રણામ.
પ્રણામ. ઓલ ધ ચિલ્ડ્રન, થેન્ક યુ સો મચ. આપ બધા 3 નૌકાર ગણીને જઈ શકો છો.
અને રેકોર્ડિંગ ગ્રુપમાં મળી જશે.